This week, everybody has been buzzing about Instagram replacing the swipe up link with a new link sticker. But what exactly does this mean for all of us? In this video, I'm going to give you all the details so you're absolutely prepared as soon as this switch rolls out. Hi, if we have not met yet, I'm Shannon, and I help small businesses and creative entrepreneurs build a community, create an impact, and grow their business. As you can tell, I'm coming from someplace new today. It is autumn, and I am now up in New Hampshire, and I will be bouncing around New England for the next 8 weeks. So you're probably going to see some new things. That stone fireplace, while I love it, is not mine. Anyways, let's hop into the information that you need to know about this new feature right now. Beforehand, an account used to need 10,000 followers in order to have this swipe up feature. Now, in the very beginning of this swipe up feature, this was a huge deal because people were able to link their products or link their website, anything that they wanted, any kind of website in general. So people really strived for that 10K mark. So why are we getting rid of it and what's taking its place? Well, let's break it down. Who's going to get the sticker? Essentially, everybody is going to get the sticker, which is great news in itself. You don't have to have 10,000 followers anymore. So you don't have to constantly be fretting about new followers and new connections. If you go into your stories and you do not see the link sticker, do not worry, it is coming. Like everything else with Instagram, when they do a major switch, it takes a while to roll out. Not only does it take a while to roll out to everybody, but you can probably expect for the next 2 to 3 months, there's going to be some glitches, there's going to be some issues. When you have an app that has 7 billion users monthly and you are switching the algorithms and you are switching features, there's bound to be glitches, there are bound to be problems. So you're just going to have to roll with it. So who's going to benefit from this new link sticker? Well, besides the fact that you don't need 10,000 followers anymore, Instagram has made it very clear in the past year that they are trying to reward and make life easier on the app for creative entrepreneurs and small businesses. So the link sticker will actually help small businesses and make it more user-friendly. As soon as the user will go and tap on the link sticker, it goes directly to the link and it makes shopping that much faster. Shopping on demand. Who would have thought? But is this something that we really want? Since the swipe up feature has come out, we, the users, have become slightly desensitized to it. Our habits on Instagram, they've changed. They've evolved. We expect a little more than just a link or a swipe up feature. Is there a better way? Yes. I'm so glad you asked. There absolutely is a better way. So let's jump into the strategy that you should be using and not even worry about the swipe up or the link sticker. It's all going to start with your DMs. If you want to get more authentic engagement and really connect with your audience, you need to start with the DMs. And is there a way to do it without being salesy or gimmicky? Yes. Look, the whole point is we are not trying to sell on Instagram. We are really trying to build a community, create that connection, and build a place of trust for people that have shared values and likes and interest. That is the main goal. Ultimately, that does result in sales and higher sales and higher publicity for your business, but that is not, we are not on Instagram to sell. So here's how you do this in a non-spammy way. You're gonna go to your stories and you're gonna pull up the poll sticker and you're gonna ask a question, whether it has to do with your product or your service or any question in general. And once people start rolling in with the answers, when you swipe up on that story, you can tell who answered yes and who answered no. By the way, have fun with this sticker. Don't just leave it as yes or no. Change the yes and the no to something inviting. Make them want to tap on that poll. Make them want to get engaged with that story. You can obviously see who is interested in that topic and who isn't. So the people that are not interested in that topic, you don't have to worry about spamming them with any kind of sticker or link or anything that they're just not having. They just don't care. It's not why they're following you. They're following you for something else. The people that are following you for this topic, you can reach out and you can swipe up. You can hit their name, and next to it, you will see 3 dots and then an airplane. And so next to their name, you hit the airplane, and then it opens up a direct message, a direct line of communication with that person. And what I do is I go down the list and I start engaging with these people. Now, do I do this for products? Not that often. But I do it when I'm trying to get to know my audience better and I'm trying to get a feel for what my community wants to see more of or what they're interested in general. This does a couple of things. One, you can send a link directly through a direct message when you hit that airplane next to their name. Two, you're increasing the engagement in your stories, which ultimately increases engagement within your feed. And three, you're creating that connection that they want. That is completely invaluable, and honestly, it's a lot of fun. That is my strategy. I could care less about the link sticker and I could care less about the swipe up feature. Is it fun to have? Absolutely. Do you have to have it? No. If you want to build a stronger relationship with your audience or your clients, this is the way to do it, through the DMs. Get them talking, have a conversation, get to know them. I hope this video helped you out. I hope I gave you new strategies. If you have tried this new strategy, please drop a comment below so I can get back to you, and I would love to hear what your thoughts are on this. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you are not missing a video, and I will see you guys next week.